Hi friend, today we'll write the program to print diamond star pattern using Java programming. In the figure we observe that from line number 6 to line number 9 is same as line number 10 to line number 13. So we just write code for 6 to 9 and reverse that code. And also observe that for the printing space, first row space is 3, then 2, then 1. So we derive formula for a printing space is in row minus I. And for printing star, we observe that for first row star 1 is printed, then 3 star, then 5 star. So for printing star, we derive formula 2 into I minus 1. First we write the class name, then main method, then define the variable int row. Here we want input given by the user, so we use a scanner object, new scanner, system dot in and then enter the number of row. Enter the row. Next line of code defined how much row user is. Enter row is sc dot next integer. Then use for loop to define the range of I and printing the space I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to row, and then for printing the space again use for loop, and here for j is starting from 1 to row minus I, j is less than or equal to row minus I, then print the space up to print the space. Then next line of code again use for loop for printing the star pattern. For int j is equal to 1, j is less than or equal to, for printing a star we derive formula 2 into I minus 1 and then print the star up to print and print the star. Then after that we use for next line system dot out dot println. Then copy the code and write in reverse manner. For I is equal to row, I is greater than or equal to 1, and I just reverse the code from for and I in decrement order. Then program and run the program. Then enter the number of row. Let's enter the, where is error, just print the, enter the, then save the program and run the program. Enter the number of row. Let's suppose enter the number of row is enter the number of row is 4. Then this print that diamond pattern. That's it.